Hello children, here we are again for another phonics. Are you ready with your pencil and paper? Then let us begin. So today we are going to say the letter names of the alphabet. Now, it's going to be slightly different though because I've mixed those letters up and they're not in the right order. And also they are all capital letters. So can you recognise the letters of the alphabet in the wrong order? Let's see. They are going to appear here and I want you to see if you can say the letter name before I do. Are you ready? Let's go. B, R, C, V, K, D, E, P, F, A, G, T, H, X, I, N, J, M, O, Q, Z, S, U, L, W, Y. Well done. Did you manage to get all of those right? Brilliant. So what we're going to do now, we are going to play a listening game. I am going to say a word and I want you to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you can hear the sound A in that word. Are you ready? Listening ears on? Okay. So the first word, can you hear A in the word rain? Rain. So sound toolkit. Can you hear an A in that word? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Show me now. It's a thumbs up, isn't it? Let's sound talk the word rain. R-A-N. Rain. Brilliant. Okay. Can you hear A in the word fair? Fair. Sound talk it. Show me, is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? It's a thumbs down, isn't it? Let's sound talk the word fair. Air. Fair. No A in there, is there? Is there an A in the word may? May. Sound toolkit. Show me your answer now. It's a thumbs up, isn't it? Sound talk the word may. A. May. That A sound is at the end of the word. Okay, can you hear A in the word start? Start. So sound talk it. Can you hear an A? Show me your answer. It's a no, isn't it? Let's sound talk start together. Art, start. Brilliant. Okay, last one. Can you hear A in the word spray? Spray. I need to spray my flowers with some water. Spray. So sound talk it. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Show me your answer. It's a yes, isn't it? Let's sound talk the word spray. S-p-r-a. Spray. Brilliant. That A is at the end of the word. Okay. Now, stand up because we are going to say the sounds that we see. And remember, practice your actions along with me. Try and say them before I do. Here we go. O. Z. X. Qu. I. J. Or it can be th. Did you say both sounds? Great. A. Where do we find this A? In the middle of a word. Brilliant. V. Ear. W. E. Air. Z. Ow. Y. Sh. R. Or it can be oo. Or. Oi. Your. Ch. And A. Did you remember our new grapheme that we looked at yesterday? A. It's our alternative sound, isn't it? Have a seat, because we are going to practice writing our new grapheme. A. So remember, it's a digraph. There are 2 letters in this sound. So the sound button that we use is a sausage. And the 2 letters we are going to be writing, A, Y, give us the A sound. And where do we find this A? At the end of a word. Brilliant. Let's practice writing it. A. Remember, say it to your paper as you're writing it. A. And pop your sound button underneath. Leave a space. Let's write it again. A. Let's practice one more time. Leave a space. A. What sound have you just written? A. And we find that one at the end of a word, mostly. Okay, we are going to practice sounding and blending some words with the A grapheme in them, okay? Remember, say the sounds as I press the sound buttons. Are you ready? Don't forget, blend those sounds at the end. Here we go. I'll say it with you. D-A. Day. Let's try this one. Are you ready? I'll do it with you. P-L-A. Play. Try this one. Let's do it together. M-A. May. Try this one. Let's do it together. S-A. Say. Okay, let's see if you can do this one. Okay, I'll join in. K-L-A. Clay. Try this one. I'll do it with you. T-R-A. Tray. Ooh, let's see if you can do this one. Should we do it together? Str. Stray. Stray. Remember, you can break down words into chunks if that helps you. Stray. Let's try this one. Do you think you got it? Let's do it together. Spray. Spray. Well done. Okay, let us practice writing some of those words. Okay, pencils ready? Show me those phonic fingers. Remember, I'm going to say the word. You need to sound talk it back to me, counting those phonemes. So are you ready for the first one? First word is pay. I need to pay for my shopping. Can you sound talk pay? P-A. Pay. 2 phonemes. Our A is at the end of the word, so we know it's our new AY grapheme. Let's write the word pay. Remember, sound talk it to your paper as you write it. P-A. Let's sound button to check it. P-A. Pay. Brilliant. Let's do the next one. Are you ready with those phonic fingers? Stay. Stay. Sound talk it. St-A. stay. 3 phonemes this time, so you should have 3 sound buttons when you've finished writing the word. Let's write the word stay. A. Sound button it to check. A. Stay. Do you have the 3 sound buttons underneath for your 3 phonemes? Brilliant. Let's do the next one. Are you ready? Spray. Spray. So sound toolkit. Spray. Spray. We've got 4 phonemes to write here. Are you ready? Sound toolkit to your paper. A. Sound buttons on to check it. Spray. Spray. Do you have 4 sound buttons? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and we had 4 phonemes, didn't we? Okay, let's do one more. Are you ready? Away. Away. I need to go away for a holiday. Let's sound talk away. A-w-a. Away. 3 phonemes. Let's write it down. A-w-a. Sound button it to check. A-w-a. Away. Great. Okay, we are now going to write a sentence. Now remember, what does a sentence have to start with? A capital letter, absolutely. And in between each word, what do we need? A finger space. And right at the end of your sentence, you need to put a full stop. Okay, are you ready to hear the sentence? I can play with the trains. I can play with the trains. Can you say the sentence to me? Fantastic. So remember, keep saying that sentence to yourself as you're writing it down, and it will help you. Okay, let's do it. I can play with the trains. We know it's one of our high frequency words. I can. New word, so let's leave a space. Can is another one of our high frequency words, but if you need to, you can sound talk it to your paper. K-a-n, can. I can play. Let's sound talk play. P-l-a. Where is the A sound? It's at the end, isn't it? So we know we need to use our AY graphing. I can play. P-l-a. I can play with at the end. Did you get it? I can play with the, we know how to write the, one of our high frequency words, with the trains. Now let's sound talk train first. T-r-a-n, train. Where can you hear the A sound? Is it in the middle or at the end? It's in the middle, isn't it? So we are going to use our AI grapheme for that A sound. Let's write the word trains. T-r-a-n, trains. Put our S on at the end. Let's check our sentence. Do you start with a capital letter? Does yours have finger spaces between the words? And do you have Mrs. Goodwin doesn't have a full stop at the end. Full stop at the end. And the last thing we need to do, we need to read it to make sure it makes sense. So you read yours and I'll read mine. I can play with the trains. Did you get all of that? Okay, that's great. Pencils down, let's move on. I need you to read the question And you are going to answer yes or no. Remember, use your sounds if you need to. Have a look at the sentence. What does it say? Shall we read it together? Can you play sport at the park? Can you play sport at the park? Is it a yes or is it a no? What do you think? Yes, of course you can play sport at the park. Let's move on to the next one. Have a read. Remember, sound talking any words that you're not sure of. Let's read it together. Can you have dinner on a tray? Can you have dinner on a tray? What do you think? Is it a yes or is it a no? Yes, of course, if you want to have your dinner on a tray, why not? Okay, let's look at our high frequency and tricky words. They are going to appear on the screen. Now you need your pencil because some of them may disappear and they're the ones you need to write down. So look very carefully and try and read them before I do. Are you ready? Let's go. All. And all has disappeared. Can you write me the word all? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Here it is. Well done. Her. He. He has disappeared. Can you write me the word he? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. He. My. You. Could you write me the word you? You. Are you ready? Here it comes. Check it. Went. It's. From. Help. Just. Have. Can you write me the word have? Have. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Did you remember that naughty E at the end? Have. Like. Said. Said has disappeared. Could you write me the word said? Have you done it? Let's go. Here we go. Check to see if you've got it right. Said. And children. Well done. Fantastic phonics, everybody. Well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you for some more phonics soon. Bye-bye.